my god. I just bought a camera. I'm looking at the viewfinder. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to get used to looking into a lens because I used to use my phone. We have a camera now. Good morning, everyone. Hello, Mr. Wayne. Hello, Albertinos. That is Mr. Albert. Our kitchen right now is looking crazy. We have some cats over here. We have Wojtek. Come on, sir. We're gonna go ahead and make my coffee and my breakfast.
Before you educate the head, try to educate the heart.
I attempted to do some kind of like filming thing. We're gonna have to play with it, but I really like this little tripod that I have. I can actually show you what it looks like. So it's just like this little tripod thing. This is my favorite breakfast at the moment. It's just delicious. I'm currently dressed and ready to hop on some Instacart orders. I'm just waiting for some to come on. Right now they're not, oh wow, you can't even see. There's only 2 and neither of them are ones that I want to do. My cats are also playing. Fifi ate my breakfast. I don't know if I told you guys that, but she ate my breakfast. Not happy about that. I had like half the sandwich left and she just went ahead and ate it when I went upstairs to show my mom how I put my camera on the kitchen cabinets this morning. So the stuff that I use to fill in my eyebrows is this e.l.f. pomade. It's in medium brown. It reminds me of the, what is it called that I used like way back in the day? The Anastasia, I think. Dip Brow, was that what it was called? Oh, what is going on today? Why does it look like this? So my makeup is done. I'm also not doing my hair because I'm just gonna put on my big fluffy hat again like I always do, and then put a cap, like a baseball hat on for when I go to the gym. I want to go to the gym today. I'm dressed for the gym. I'm wearing a North Face over top because I never wear sweatshirts to the gym because they're annoying to like pull over my head. So I'm wearing this sports bra from I actually got this from TJ Maxx, but the tag on it says Abercrombie and Fitch. So yeah, but I'm wearing this sports bra. It has some cool stuff going on in the back. And then I'm wearing some Amazon pants that are just like camo. I don't feel like wearing leggings today because I want to wear something like really high-waisted because this is high. My boobs end right here. It's like right under my boob. So we're wearing these pants because they go up really high, as you could tell. And then I wore my North Face over top so that I'm not cold while I'm in the car. We are in a bad mood, to be perfectly honest with you guys. I'm in a bad mood because these Instacart orders are so bad today. It's showing me orders that are literally so far away from me. Like, I'm talking 40+ minutes, and typically Instacart only gives you like 30 minutes to get to the store. So the fact that it's showing me orders that are 40+ minutes away is driving me nuts. I only got 2 orders so far today that I completed, and one was like 20 bucks and the other one was like 26. So we're at like 46.67 for the day. It just finally updated. And that's just like so annoying. I'm like freaking, come on, man. I am gonna go to the gym. We love her hair. I'm gonna go work out my frustrations at the gym. We still have some muscle. We still have some bicep. Today I'm going to be doing back and bicep, and I do a little bit of legs every day just because I'm recovering from surgery. If you guys didn't know, I had hip surgery on September 11th last year, and what was that? And I'm still recovering from it. So we got a hat to cover my ugly hair because you cannot work out in obviously a beanie. Fifi, why are you sleeping on that? We're gonna go to the gym. I also ordered a car mount for my camera, like a camera car mount, and it's gonna be here in like 2 days, I think. I don't know, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog and drive yet, but that will probably be the little setup from over here when I do get that in the mail. I'm back. Not happy because my parents just got their $600 each stimulus check in the mail, and I don't qualify because they still claim me on their taxes. I went to the gym. I'll have the workout that I did right here if you guys are interested. I just did like a back and bicep workout, also with some shoulders thrown in there. And now I'm home and I'm eating a salad. My dumbass bought mustard greens instead of kale when I went grocery shopping. Are you kidding? My parents are starting to work on the floor, and that's literally... I made a salad yesterday, and I bought mustard greens instead of kale, but... Here's my salad. Taking advantage of this quiet moment right now. I bought mustard greens instead of kale the other day, and I was making my salads yesterday. I like pre-made them in these like little containers, and I was like, this doesn't smell like kale. This is definitely not gonna really fill me up, but I'm gonna have more food later. The sleepies hit. I'm like so tired now. It's kind of dinner time, but I don't want to like eat something yet. I'm probably gonna have a little bit of pasta later. I have this pasta that I made that's not the best thing I've ever eaten, and oh, I forgot to put beans in my salad today. Ah, I knew there was something missing. Normally I put small, I think they're just called like small white beans or like cannellini beans, but like they're called small white beans on the can that I use. But I made this pasta that I'll show you guys later. If I eat it, I have to eat it, so I will eat it. I need to eat more food during the day. Anyway, I made myself a little protein smoothie. I was really craving some peanut butter, And this was actually, I kind of want a piece of like toast with peanut butter. I want to say I probably won't drink very much of this because now after I said toast with peanut butter, I really just want a piece of toast with peanut butter. I'm so tired. I feel my back getting stronger though, you know, like I feel strong right now. Mr. Nog. Meow. You are getting chunky, my dude. Look at you. Oh my goodness, you are such a beautiful little baby angel. I don't really want this. My pasta is a fail. It's disgusting. It was fine when I ate it the other day, but it's just not good. And I wanted to add like, okay, first of all, look at my cats right now. They're just snuggling, and this is normally where I sit and put my camera here. So I'm gonna sit on these pillows. Okay. So with my pasta problem, if you will, I reheated it on the stove, and I was gonna add some like pasta sauce, like some Rao's pasta sauce on top, but it's just like I didn't have any. Well, I did, but it was like all moldy, so I couldn't obviously use it. And then I looked around to see what other kind of sauces we had, and I was like, oh, maybe cocktail sauce would be good. It wasn't. It's disgusting. I don't want to eat it at all. I like ate a little bit and then I gagged a little bit, so I'm not going to be eating that. So I made a piece of toast, Ezekiel bread with some peanut butter. I think I'm going to get a burrito. I'm like, that'll be my dinner. This right here was the move though. This is really good. This is the Ezekiel bread that comes in the orange packaging right now. Nuggy and Miss Peepee. Hello, Miss Peep. Mr. Boob. These are my kids. I have ordered the goods and I'm excited. Dude, these cats, they haven't like snuggled close to each other in like such a long time, so I'm honestly pretty surprised they're snuggling right now. I think my car is gonna explode one day, like sooner rather than later. Let's get this bread, boys. Why did I say that? I've never said that before in my life. Goodbye. I got cilantro lime rice, which doesn't taste like cilantro, so I don't know why they say that, sorry. Black beans, chicken, veggies, lettuce, roasted corn salsa, pico, and mild ancho salsa. I'm excited.